Angela, and this is Maculatelife, and I would like to welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning my salon suite. First, I'm going to be wiping down my chairs. They do collect dust and oil and hair throughout the day while you're working on your clients and stuff. So it's very important that at the end of the day that you wipe these things down, especially because those are where your clients are going to be seated and they're waiting. Okay, so throughout this video, you will see me sweeping a lot. Now, in this drawer container, I keep my rods and my rollers in there. I'm going to wipe that down on top. I'm going to wipe the sides down. And then as you can see, I'm going to go to the back and wipe it down as well. I went ahead and put my towels in the washer. And later on, I'm going to put them in the dryer. So right here, I'm putting a couple of things back, and as you can see, I'm working my way around the room. And what I'm doing here is I'm removing my retail product from the shelf. I'm going to wipe that down real good. And the reason is because I stand right beside that shelf. I do a lot of blow drying and I do a lot of cutting. So this shelf is liable to catch a lot of hair, dust, and things like that. So I'm just going to make sure I wipe this down really, really good and put everything back the way it was. So as you all can see, I am putting the product back on the shelf. In a few minutes down the line, you're going to see me wipe down the products as well. I will be sure to let you know what the name of the product that I use. I think it's called Shipshape Professional Cleaning Spray. It's really good, and I love to use it on my salon furniture and on the surfaces. It does wonders. It does a really, really good job. You can get this product at Cosmoprof or Salon Centric, but you can I looked it up, and you can also get it from Walmart. I'm not sure about that, but you can definitely get it from Cosmoprof and Salon Centric. This right here came from one of my creative clients. Hopefully when she sees this video, she'll see that I still have it. Okay, so this right here, I got this from my little cousin. He ain't no little cousin no more. He's actually like 17. I'm not sure if you remember, but I got that from when I first started doing hair. And so everywhere I go, it goes with me. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sweeping around the chair, and then I'm going to wipe it down really, really well. And you're going to see me getting in the crevices and stuff like that, because when I do things like, for instance, braids, the hair gets stuck down in the sides. It's really hard to get it out of there, so I have to really dig deep down to get the hair out. As you can see, I moved the chair. That's important too, because if you don't, you will have lots of hair and stuff underneath that chair. Okay, so I try to clean this out at least twice a week, because sometimes while doing hair, I don't put things exactly where they go. So now here, I don't know how many stylists do this. Very important that you clean down your bottles as well. Sometimes the shampoo can cake up on the bottle and stuff like that. So what I do is I put the bottles inside the bowl, and I use really, really warm water. And then and it slides right off. So right after that, I take a towel and I wipe all the bottles down. Place them right back to where they belong. I did also clean that shelf off real good. Just very important as well. You want everything to be as neat as possible. Now, I have a lot of shampoo. You don't want to use the same shampoo on every client, because different clients experience different things when they come to the scalp and hair. So you want to be very careful when you're using shampoo. So that's why you see so many different bottles on my shelf. So I just got my towels out the dryer. Right now I'm gonna fold them down, put them right back into the cabinet. I usually keep them, the browns and the whites separated because I'm like to stay organized when it comes to that. Cabinet, and then you're gonna see me put my laundry bag back in the basket. And it's important that you wash that as well because it can get mildewy. When you wash your towels, just go ahead and throw it in there with the towels and keep it moving. Here, as you can see, this is one of my last steps, and that is wet Swiffering my floor. Make sure I get around that shampoo bowl in front of my area where I could have dropped some product on the floor. I'll make sure I do in front of the dryers as well. I'll make sure I do near the door and my little waiting area where my clients sit as well, because sometimes they can eat while they wait and they may drop a few things on the floor. So I'll make sure I get over there in that area. And sometimes I have to scrub really, really hard just to make sure that I got everything up. You want a nice clean floor, especially for the next morning when you come in. You want it to look as nice and clean as possible when you first walk in. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Please like, share, comment. Let me know how you feel about the videos. Also, don't forget I upload videos every Monday. I look forward to doing those. I try to put a little humor in each and every video. But I thank you all again, and I hope you'll have a great, safe, and wonderful day.